Meaning of grain.
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 Grain. The term grain has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to small, hard particles of various materials, such as sand or salt. In agriculture, it typically refers to cereal crops, such as wheat or rice, that are harvested for food. In photography, it refers to the visible texture in an image caused by the film's grain structure. Additionally, grain can be used metaphorically to refer to a person's character or temperament. Overall, the definition of grain varies greatly depending on the field in which it is used.